Based on what we know about how much Safemoon V2 will cost, the price of SFM will be more than 0.00056 by the end of 2023. Our estimate of how much Safemoon will cost in 2025 says that the SFM token will do well, and it could cause a stir in the whole town. The Mark RSFM cost estimate for 2030 shows that the currency could be worth 0.0082 ruckus about town. Even though people don't like Safemoon V2, its price is about 0.00019, which is over 9% less than it was 24 hours ago. By 2025, Safemoon V2 could get back on its feet and hit 0.0009. If you're looking for Safemoon, you can expect that our top-to-bottom research plans will answer your questions, like does Safemoon V2 have a future? How far up could Safemoon V2 go? Could Safemoon V2 ever be worth $1? Before we get into the specifics of Safemoon, we need to look at how the coins are laid out. A smooth trip to the moon. Safemoon is a digital hash and a new utility coin that is used as a way for people to trade money without using a central bank. Safemoon convention is run by distributed record technology, created by BNB Chain. It has a market cap of about $148,054,349 and is meant for long-term speculation. As a result, many crypto token fans are hopeful about Safemoon SFM's future capacity. Here is a summary of Safemoon with a real-world cost study by an expert and an estimate of how much Safemoon will cost if the Safemoon engineers keep their promise. The price of a SFM coin reached an all-time high of 0.007232, but in the next 10 years, it fell by almost 96% from its peak. Safemoon's creators literally controlled how many coins were made to keep the supply low and keep up with demand. The first coins were made in December 2021, and since then, the value of a SFM coin has risen to an all-time high of 0.007232, but the price has fallen by nearly 96% from its peak. Many experts think that SFM is a fictional resource because it doesn't have in-burn. To do this, you should look at the risks of speculation, such as the fact that the price of SFM coin moves around a lot, which makes the Safemoon price estimate change. People aren't sure if coins and government-issued money will be around in the long run because cryptocurrencies are still new. Governments are starting to realize what could happen, so they are also keeping track of digital currencies. High unpredictability can, in theory, give retail financial fans a place to breathe. Backers of such money should be careful before putting money into it as long as possible. Safemoon SFM moves the resources going to the moon forward without counting on any intrinsic value. The major cryptocurrency exchanges don't allow safe mode, so liquidity can be a factor, especially for brokers. Safemoon V2 makes sense. Safemoon V2 is more open, safer, and easier to use than its predecessor. Here, it costs 2% to move money between wallets and 10% to buy or sell something. The distribution has changed because the top 5% of people have moved, burning 2% of the pieces. Based on our Safemoon price predictions, the chances of a rise are low. Unless there is important information through virtual entertainment about the Safemoon V2 token and the fans' confidence quickly returns. Even so, it will face resistance around 0.00025 safe mode value expectation 2023 toward the F. Safemoon V2 value prediction 2024, due to more uncertainty and exciting special features. The price is expected to reach 0.000741 in 2024. Based on an analysis of Safemoon prices in previous years, the base Safemoon price is expected to be around 0.000512 in 2024. The average cost of a Safemoon may be about 0.000627. Many retail investors could do without the high volatility of the digital currency market, but getting a better return from Safemoon SFM coin is important, so volume will go up, bringing in more crypto fans in the coming years. According to our research, the average price of Sapphire Moon's cryptocurrency will be 0.000862 in 2025, with a likely return on investment of around $248.14. However, the price will reach a high of 0.00099 and a low of around 0.000733 each year. This is our Safemoon V2 price prediction for 2025. States need at least 2 to 3 years to stop growth, so you can't expect a huge cost flood until 2025. This means that the possible return on investment probably won't be enough because it may take too long to stop growth. The Safemoon figure 22 and 25, it also means it will be hard to help the brokers plan. When you buy Safemoon at the right time in the crypto trade, it can help you make a lot of money. Based on our Safemoon cost prediction and our own research, the price of Safemoon will definitely go over the all-time high of 0.0024 and could go as high as 0.0029 in a year, based on social and financial conditions and unofficial laws. The first price for Safemoon might be around $0.00095. On the cryptocurrency market, no one thinks that management standards will limit the value flood of Safemoon coins. The owners should know what's going to happen. Safemoon prediction 2027, we think the price of Safemoon will go over the average value of 0.0035 by the end of 2027. This can be a huge increase if you invest early when the price is around 0.0002642. The price is unpredictable, so you can expect a lot of SFM coin trading growth. 2027, according to our Safemoon gauge data, the money cost might trade at a maximum of around 0.0055 by 2028. While the base cost might be around 0.0033 after a few updates. In 2028, Safemoon coins will be a more stable and safe digital resource, with an average price of 0.0044 and a lot of volatility. Safemoon V2 value forecast 2029 due to this lack of predictability. The price of a SFM token will stay the same next year. The value will stay flat, with an average price of $0.0052. This will be a good time to buy more coins for the next couple of years, so you can expect a price flood in the following year, according to our Safemoon price prediction. Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900, and XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made small gains to stay above the $30,000 mark. Ethereum also went up a little bit but stayed below the $1,950 level. Bitcoin and other crypto tokens got over the weekend jitters,